3 things you need to do in your next interaction with a woman to run it successfully. These are common mistakes I see dudes consistently making. I'm not going to overcomplicate this video. These are going to be practical steps, easy to remember, easy to execute. That way today you could actually go out and get a result. We're going to start at the beginning of the interaction. And as we go into step 2, step 3, we're going to progress throughout the conversation, leading all the way up to actually getting her number and setting up a date. Let's get into step number 1. What do we need to do right now? First thing is slow the fuck down. And you've probably heard me talk about this before, and that's okay, because you actually need a reminder. People need reminders with this shit. And I've even coached dudes countless times, and I've told them to slow down, and they know this, but you still need to hear it, dude. You still need to hear it. You need that daily reminder that the next time that you're interacting with somebody, take a deep breath and slow down. Slower than you think you need to go. A lot slower than you think you need to go. And I can say that with certainty because I go out and I record myself in interaction every single day. And even still, even at the level that I'm at, there are times where I catch myself still going a little fast. I'm not super giddy and nervous and like talking rapid fire like some of you dudes, but occasionally, I'll be in a great social flow. I'm a little excited. I've had too much fucking caffeine for the day because I'm just like working all the time. And when I'm in the interaction, I catch myself from time to time needing to slow down, in which case I just slow down. You're going to slow down your response time after they say the thing. Most of you dudes, you'll say, where are you from? Miami? Oh, Miami? Slow the fuck down, dude. You don't need to say what she just said back to her in a higher pitched voice than the way she's talking. You don't need to repeat it at all. You can just stay calm. It actually builds a little bit of tension and displays a lot of confidence and gives you a solid 1 to 2 seconds to fucking chill out and think of the next thing to say. Like a lot of you dudes are so in your head about the whole conversation and you get so nervous. Like this one thing is fucking life-changing and you're gonna need to consistently remind yourself this, which is why it's the catalyst for this fucking video. Slow the fuck down. The other reason that this is really important is because when you're talking slower and you breathe, naturally you're going to be breathing from your diaphragm a little bit more. So your vocal tonality is going to be better. The faster you start to talk, and if you keep talking like this, you're going to notice that your pitch is going to start to go up higher and higher and higher. So when you respond really quick to the girl, it sounds like this fucking nervous, whiny, not confident, cool dude. Okay? Slow down. That is step number 1. Let's move into technique number 2. Now that we're actually in a conversation, we can stay calm, we can stay cool, we're talking slow, good tonality, good response time. Most likely the girl will actually be responding positively to us, believe it or not, at least for a little bit. It doesn't mean you're gonna get a date out of it, but I don't think you guys understand that you should be able to get into a conversation with most people that are out in the world. Most people I go up to, I can at least get into a couple seconds of interaction. Doesn't always go to a fucking date, obviously, but a lot of the time I can at least get a response because of the way that I open and the tonality I speak at and the good nonverbals. Let's move into number 2 now, which is we're in the interaction. What do we need to do? One thing I consistently see guys fucking up with is they're not teasing and they're not pushing the girl away at all. You go in, you display intent. You start talking to the girl, you compliment. You keep talking, you compliment. You keep talking, you ask her a phone number. You implied that we should go on a date. You really like her eyes. You like this thing about her. Oh, you live here? Oh, why would I go over there when you live here? Like you're almost even in the way that you flirt with the girl, it kind of just conveys that she's above you. So an easy way to fix this, guys, very simple, very simplistic, easy, practical steps to do right now is to just tease her and push her away somehow. Find a way to do that in the first minute of the interaction. Oh, you're from there? No way. I can't trust girls from there. Oh, you're that ethnicity? Oh, you're trouble. Oh, you like that? I gotta get away. Should I just like walk away right now? Whatever the thing is, find a way to tease her. Find a way to challenge her. Find a way to give her shit about the thing. Find a way to disagree with her. I'm telling you guys, it's fucking powerful. Now look, you don't need to be some dancing monkey clown that's saying these crazy verbal, witty, fucking like crazy phrases. Like that comes off fucking gamey. I'm just telling you on a very simplistic level, find a way to tease her or give her a little bit of shit. You don't need some crazy phrase to do this. You find out whatever you're talking about in the conversation. It's going to be what she does for fun, where she lives, what ethnicity she is, how old she is, something about her tattoo. Make it very simple, dude. And just find a way, just poke at her just a little bit. Not a ha 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 ha. I'm talking about like a little bit of a smirk on your face and say the thing. It hits fucking hard, man. It's simple, but it hits hard. All right, I've been going out. I do this consistently. I'm watching the beginning of my interactions when I'm going up to these girls. I'm doing the same things over and over and over again. I'm opening. I talk slow, a tiny bit of intent depending on the girl. And then in the first minute to 2 minutes of the interaction, I'm finding different ways to either tease her, give her a little bit of shit, poke a little fun at her, challenge her playfully. And it's fucking powerful, dude. Find a way to break rapport. Find a way to do this in the first 1 to 2 minutes. It's life-changing because most of you dudes are just pedestalize, talk fast, compliment. It's not going to get you anywhere. These two things will carry the first couple minutes of the interaction. So if you're a dude who's not really opening, maybe you're not taking enough action, you're not getting into enough conversations with attractive women, or even if you are, you're losing the attraction, the conversation's fizzling out, or you just don't feel confident about this whole thing. You're in one of these fucking buckets, or maybe multiple of them, and I know you are, dude. So if that's you, I can help you with this. If you're interested, the links are in the description for the coaching programs. You need daily reminders. You need some structure. You need some accountability. And I have coaching programs in place for that. Links are in the description. For the dudes that want to work with me one-on-one, you can apply. For the dudes that don't have that much to invest, I just opened up a new case study group. Click the links in the description. Check those out. You need to get around this kind of mindset and energy and content consistently to really make a massive improvement. Let's get into the final point. Number 3, we're talking slow, we're teasing, we're a couple minutes into the interaction. What do we do? What do we need to do at this point, dude? It's very simple. Don't pounce or don't be so fucking eager to get her phone number. I'm consistently breaking down clients' interactions inside of my paid programs. And the one thing I notice is that they go up, they're vibing, it's going well. And the dude thinks that after 2 minutes or 3 minutes, it's time to get the phone number. It's time to get the Instagram. It's not fucking time, dude. All you've shown is that you're a cool, chill dude. That does not mean that she's down to go on a date with you yet. You're thinking like a dude. A dude sees a girl, she's an attractive, hot woman, I want to go on a date. That is not how she looks at you. And that's where you get this whole thing fucked up. You're so giddy, you're so excited. The interaction's going well. It is. For the first 2, 3, 4 minutes, it's going well. But dude, that's not what it takes to actually get a really solid phone number and get the girl to actually meet up and go on a date with you. And I can say this with certainty because I've been going out 55 days in a row, daytime, sober, going up and approaching girls. Last week, there was 3 days in a row, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I went up and approached the girl, ran a 12 to 15 minute interaction that led to a phone number, that led to a date, and the girl was back at my apartment within 1 to 2 days. The Tuesday girl came over Wednesday, the Wednesday girl came over on Friday, and the Thursday girl came over on Saturday. Those were all from 12 to 15 minute interactions. If I would have just gotten the phone number at 3 minutes and then went home, that would have been a flaky ass phone number. Do you know why? Because the girl doesn't know jack shit about you. You think that you ran it good and you think that there's a vibe there because she was responding positively to you, and she even gave you her phone number, she gave you her Instagram, but that's not what it fucking takes, man. Just in the same way, if you just got onto my YouTube video and it's the first 2 minutes of watching me, and I said, dude, do you want to join my program? You don't know who the fuck I am. So why would you join the program? You're like, oh, dude, I'm really enjoying the first 2 minutes of Kyle's video. I'm really enjoying the first 4 minutes. This is really valuable. But you're not ready to make the purchase. Do you get that? That's what you're doing with women. You need to chill the fuck out. The way that it actually works, the way that I convert a lot of sales is that you watch a lot of the content. Now, some people will watch one full video and be like, yo, I want to learn more about this dude. That 10-minute video, that 20-minute video, that was solid. I'm curious. Some women will be like that. You can run a 3, 4, 5-minute interaction that gets a phone number, it gets an Instagram, and it can work. Don't be that dumbass in the comments. Kyle's wrong. I did this and I'm not saying you can't get a result that way. I've closed clients that watched one video of mine that got into a consultation call. They saw what they liked and they were ready to fucking go. That's not the majority. And for women, it's even more exaggerated. This concept is even more exaggerated with women. I'm talking about closing male clients that know what they want. When it comes to women, they are a volume knob that you need to crank it up slowly. So just because you're at 3, 4, 5 minutes, dude, if you have time, stay in the fucking set. Stay in the set. Do not say, let's go on a date. Do not say, let me get your phone number. I'm going to text you. Chill the fuck out and slowly introduce the idea of what does she like to do? What do you do on the weekends? I like to do this thing. Keep the conversation going. And then later on at 10 minutes, 15 minutes, now we have a solid rapport built up. Now we actually have a vibe built up between me and the girl. The first 5 minutes, dude, with a stranger, they don't know who the fuck you are. There's nerves. You're fucking nervous. You're not calmed down yet. At 5 minutes, like, we're just getting into the interaction. Why would you try to cash out right then and there? If you're telling me, oh, I'm a busy dude, I don't got time. Bro, you're getting a phone number to try to set up a date, and you're going to get a whack phone number. So do you want to consistently just get whack numbers, or do you want to just do this thing and get a fucking number that converts? I just told you, I went out 3 days in a row, a 45-minute session. It was either on the 5th, 6th, or 7th approach of the day. So I went out for 45 minutes. I went up to 5, 6, or 7 girls. And on that approach, it went to a 15-minute interaction that led to a phone number. Those girls came to my apartment. That doesn't mean they got here and it was just like super sexual, but I'm just showing you this is the raw, real data of what went down last week. I went up 3 girls, 15-minute interaction that led to a phone number, that led to a small text sequence, that led to us hanging out with the girls coming back to the apartment to chill. You can do the same if you do these techniques. Talk slow, start teasing the girl, start challenging her a little bit playfully, transition into some get to know you talk, and just because it's going good, do not pounce on that fucking phone number, dude. Slow the fuck down, chill the fuck out. That's how the girls act too. Do you ever meet a girl within 2 minutes, she's trying to pounce on you? You would be really concerned. You would almost be like skeptical. What the fuck? Why is this so easy? And that's how you guys are interacting with women. So reframe your brain around these things to start running more interactions that actually convert into dates. And it also just shows you how to present yourself as a more charismatic, confident dude to the world. This isn't just about women, guys. I am not just focused on getting laid. I am focused on becoming the top 1% of dude on all levels, socially, physically, mentally, financially, my network, my dating life, all of it, dude, all of it. So if you want to get better with any of these things, again, the links are in the description. You can apply to work with me one-on-one for an extended period of time where I will show you the structure, the accountability, direct guidance from me, calling you out on your bullshit and pushing you through to get you to those next levels. For the dudes that want to get better, you want to get around this more, you just don't have the money to invest like that. I have a new case study group, extremely affordable, amazing offer. All the infields are in there. Kyle, where's your infield? Where are all these infields? I can't post half of that shit on YouTube, dude. It's in the fucking programs. Click the links in the description. Check out the programs. You need to be around this energy consistently, dude. Not just so you could put your fucking D in her V, so you can really level up as a man on all levels. Links in the descriptions. Check out the coaching programs. That's all for this video. Let's fucking go.